student, in our previous video we have already started the second chapter of standard 8 mathematics, that is parallel lines and transversal. So we have completed the terms like what are called parallel lines, what is the transversal, and angles made by transversal. Just take a quick recap of the terms. This that what are parallel lines. Okay, so what are the parallel lines, student? Parallel line are the pair of a straight line that are at equal distance from each other, and they never intersect each other. So these are the parallel line, and parallel line indicate by this symbol. Okay, line M parallel to line M, they never intersect each other, they are called a parallel line. Now next is a transversal. So what is a transversal, student? The line which intersect two distinct, okay, this is a line which intersect two distinct line like this and this at two distinct point is called a transversal. Okay, so line L is a transversal, and line M and N may be parallel or they may not be parallel. Okay, so this is a transversal. Now we have already seen the angles made by a transversal. So first angle was corresponding angles, second was interior angles, and the third is the alternate angles. Okay, now let's do a quick let's just see that what are the corresponding angle. Okay, so corresponding angles like this, you can see, student, here it is a like this is a transversal line. Okay, student, this is a transversal line and these are the two lines. Okay, so these lines these line intersect to these two lines at a two distinct point, that is point M and point N. Okay, so the angles formed like this, like AMP and MNR, these are called a corresponding angle. Okay, this is just like our arms. Okay, perpendicular arms, right, like this. So these are the corresponding angles. Okay, like here also you can see these are the corresponding angles. Okay, students, now for next is the interior angle. Now what are the interior angles? The angles which are formed between the or inside these two lines. Okay, inside the line PQ and RS, these are the interior angle. Okay, like this. Okay, I'm making a cross here so you all can get understand properly. Okay, so these angles like angle PMN and angle MN are the interior angles. Okay, and like here on the right hand side you can see angle QMN and angle SNM are the interior angle. Okay, and these angles like this here, these are what? These are exterior angle. Okay, the angles which are outside these two lines, these are called exterior angle. Okay, now one more type of angles we have, that is alternate angle. Now student, what is alternate angle? Like this, you can see here, right, this is a Z shape. Here I'm just drawing here so you all can get understand. P, like here, this is point P, this is M, this is N, and this is S. Okay, so the angle which are present here are called as a this alternate angle. Okay, in alternate angle also we have two types, that is alternate interior angle and alternate exterior angle. So these are called as a alternate interior angle. Okay, and this the angle which are present over here, these are alternate exterior angle. Okay, student, so these are the alternate, like here one angle will be here and one will be here, these are the alternate, and all these angles are congruent to each other. Okay, that we are going to see in the next part of our chapter. So now let's do second exercise of this chapter, that is practice set 2.1. Okay, okay, student, now let's solve the practice set 2.1. Okay, this exercise based on angles like corresponding angles, alternate angles, and interior angles. Okay, so now let's see the exercise. First question in the practice set 2.1 is, first, in the adjoining figure is given to us. Each angle is shown by a letter. Fill in the boxes with the help of the figure. Now student, here one figure is given and we have to solve these questions by looking at the figure with the help of this figure. Okay, now student, here you can see our here you can see a vertical line, this. Okay, so this vertical line, suppose line L. Okay, suppose, okay, this is a vertical line, this is called as a transversal line. Okay, so these vertical transversal line intersect this line, this one first line and second line intersect these two lines at point P and like this, at this point and this point. Okay, so the angles formed by the transversal will be total 8 angles, that is 4 angles at one line and the 4 angles at next line. Okay, so total 8 angles are formed by the transversal line. Okay, now let's solve the exercise. Okay, first let's see the question. So first is we have to find out the correspondence angle. Okay, correspondence angles means like this. Here I'm drawing a figure like this. Okay, this angle, this type of angles are corresponding angles. Okay, and these are the corresponding angles. Okay, so suppose here you can see this is a angle P is a corresponding angle W is a corresponding angle, Q and X, these are the corresponding angles. Okay, like here, yeah, here also we have a corresponding angle. Okay, so one angle is given to us and we have to find the corresponding angle to that angle. Okay, now first let's see. First is given as angle P, so we have to find out the corresponding angle of angle P. Okay, so angle P, here is the angle P, so the what will be the corresponding angle of P? It will be W, right? Here like this is P and this is W. Okay, so angle correspondence angle of P will be angle W, student. So I'm writing here only, here I'm writing here angle W. Okay, student, so corresponding angle of P is W. Now next question number 2 is corresponding angles of angle Q and C. Angle here, this angle Q will be correspond to which angle? Angle X. Okay, student, so here X will come, angle X, angle Q and angle X are corresponding angles like here. Now third is angle R. So student, what will be the corresponding angle of R? Angle R will be correspond to this angle, right? Like here you can see, like here and here. Okay, so these are, this is R and this is Y. So angle R will correspond to angle Y. Okay, student, now next is angle S. Angle S will be correspond to angle Z. So after finding the corresponding angles, we have to find the interior alternate angles. Okay, what are the interior alternate angles? Like this, here I'm making a Z pattern. Okay, so these are the interior alternate angles. Okay, so here angle angle S, we have to find out the interior alternate angle of angle S. Now where is the angle S? This is angle S. Okay, so suppose here I'm drawing a figure, here angle S is there and here alternate angle this X. Okay, angle X is there, so interior alternate angles of S is angle X. Yes, next is we have to find out interior alternate angle of W. See here, W will be R. See here it is like in this manner, in opposite manner. Okay, this here W is there and here R is there. So what will be the alternate interior angle of W? It will be angle R. So I'm writing down here angle R. So angle W and angle R and angle S and angle X are the interior alternate angles. Okay, now next question is question number 2. So what is this? Observe the angles shown in the figure. So one figure is given to us and angles are present here. Okay, so this let's see the question first and write the following pair of angles. So here pair of angles are given, types of angles are given here and we have to write the pair of angles by looking at this figure. Okay, students, so this is a transversal line. Okay, this figure mm, is a vertical line, this is a vertical figure and this is a horizontal figure. Okay, so this is a transversal line. Okay, this is a horizontal transversal line and these two are the lines, parallel lines we can see, and we have to find here if four angles are formed and here four angles are formed, that means total 8 angles are formed by this vertical transversal line. Okay, so first pair is given to us is interior alternate angles. So student, for for your better understanding, here the figure is given in your in the vertical manner. Okay, so just for your understanding, I have made this figure in a vertical manner. Okay, so that you all can get proper idea by looking at this figure. Okay, so just the this difference is this, just I have twisted the figure from horizontal to vertical. Okay, so first pair of angle we have to write as interior alternate angles. Okay, now see, interior alternate angles means like here, this is a transversal line and these two are parallel lines. Okay, so interior alternate angles means like this. Okay, this is, suppose this is a z or zigzag, no, and these angles are called as a interior alternate angle. So here interior alternate angle is angle, see here it is B. Okay, and here it is H, right? So first pair will be angle B and I'm writing here 1. Okay, angle B and angle H. So these are the first pair of interior alternate angle. Okay, now next pair of interior alternate angle will be the C and E. Okay, this suppose this is, oh wait, yes, this, the angles formed between here and, sorry, here and here, these are the next another pair of interior alternate angles. So this is here, here it is C and here it is E. So angle C and angle E, angle C and angle E, this is, so these are the two pairs of interior alternate angles by this figure. Now next is the, we have to write the corresponding pair of a corresponding angles. Okay, corresponding angles means here, like here this figure, these are the corresponding angles. Okay, so here angle is A, this is E, so A and E will be from the left hand side, and angle D and angle H from the this side. Which side? Right hand side. And this angle, this also angle B and angle F, and from here angle C and angle G. So let's write the pairs. So first is the angle A and angle E, angle A and angle E, like this. Okay, and next pair will be angle D and angle H, angle D and angle H, sorry, angle, student, here angle H is there, angle H. And next or third pair is angle B and angle F, and fourth pair is angle C and angle G. So these are the four pair of corresponding angles formed by this figure or formed by this transversal line. Now next type is, we have to write the pair of interior angles. Okay, interior angles means like here, this way, like here I am drawing a separate figure here, like this. Okay, these are the interior angles. So interior, here it is on the left hand side, it is B and angle E, and here angle C and angle H. Okay, so these are the interior angles. Let's write here. First is angle B and angle E. Second pair is angle C and angle H. So student, this was all about the practice set 2.1. The next part of this lesson we are continue in the next session. Thank you students.